Hi guys, this is Jack.Weir with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Here today to show you this really nice looking Itasca Sunova. Model is 30A and it's a marginally used 2016. It's blue, silver in color. Very nice appointments on it. It does have an onboard 5.5 kilowatt Onan gas generator. This model does have the side view cameras and the rear view cameras. It's got the full Alcoa aluminum wheels. Can't ask for much more on the outside of this, so let's take a look at the inside. I forgot to mention that this does have the outside entertainment center, and it is right here. All right, let's take a look at the inside. This is a great family coach. You have the overhead bunk. You've got the full booth that will move into a full-size bed for you. This comes out, flips up, that flips out, and you put another cushion there. You can seat probably 6 to 8 around this, or sleeps 2 full-size adults. Real easy to deploy, real easy to put back. Nice solid wood appointments, and this one actually has the nice recliner rocker here. Up in the driving compartment, you do have a full information center, one-touch 4-point leveling. It's on the Triton V10 chassis, and you do have the cruise control. All right, moving back over to here, you've got the nice large screen Insignia TV. Nice wood appointments. Places for all kinds of stuff in here that aren't supposed to be there, but whatever. Place for thin storage. Do have a double stainless sink with full Corian countertops. Nice overhead storage on this. A really large convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and tons of storage in the drawers underneath. The restroom, well, this is another vanity. This is a, what do they call those things? Place where you store stuff. That's what they call it. That's what I call it anyway. Then on the bathroom, you do have a full glass enclosed shower. A lot of nice storage in this bathroom. It does have the fantastic vent to air it out and everything. Over here you got the 10.5 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. It is a Norcold, so it's the best in the market, and it does have an ice maker. You have a nice queen size walk around bed, tons of storage over the top, 2 very large wardrobes here, and a nice Insignia television here. This does have on the bed, at the head of the bed, cross-through ventilation, so it's going to be very comfortable to sleep in. You guys, again, my name is Jack.Weir. You can call me direct at 541-654-1820, or you can email me direct at jack.weir@guaranty.com. I'd be glad to answer any questions that you might have on this. Thank you very much for your time.